Be a mother is not easy, especially when you can't dey work, dey join her, you can't get children, and na only you one. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making Nigeria puff puff. Okay, so that is what we are making. So my people, I come back from work and I did very tired. Now my children say, mommy, please, they want to eat that your puff puff. I was like, children, please, now I'm tired. Mommy is very tired, and all I need now is just for me to go to the bathing room, take my shower, eat, and go to bed. They were like, no, mommy, it's not time for you to rest yet, but we want to eat puff puff and fried fish. My people, now know as the thing they be now, as a mother now, you got to do what you have to do to make them happy, you understand? And so I carry myself go kitchen, come start to dey prepare this puff puff one they see. So we already mix the flour down and with the yeast. Okay, I've already done that, and we just keep it aside for the yeast to rise then before we now proceed to the next level. So this one are the yeast now. Okay, so that one I see us now, and the fish one fry. I already do that one. I pour the ingredients when I have in my kitchen and I put it aside. So this one are the flour where we need for this recipe. So I'm going to be putting my milk. Okay, now as I don't use spoon to do and the thing, it was not working, so I have to use my hand, you understand? So I use my hand, then till you have something like this. Look at it now, it's very very fluffy. Now I will be adding my veggies. Okay, I use just only red bell pepper half and one small onions. Now I be waiting, I use and come pour them inside, then keep them aside again. Make the thing for double size. So now we are going to start frying our fish that you saw earlier. So this one are the fish, guys. Now we don't come back again to our puff puff. Okay, look at it now. It's already double size. Yeah. So, and we are going to start frying this now. So we move back to our fish, and the fish is readinable while our puff puff is still ongoing in the pan. Look at it, you have something like this, golden brown. So this one are the second one. So my people, if you know, see, don't watch this video, reshare it. Me say you dey enjoy that, but you don't want follow, you don't want like, you don't want share, you don't want even leave comments. Kilo de, what is going on? Oh yeah, now help a sister as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as you not take the support una get. Look at it now. Our Nigeria puff puff is readinable, guys. Will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for joining, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.